Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the drag drop in like Trello. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let me show you what exactly it is. So let me install this package. This is very important. Okay, so I'm going to go with npm I. Okay, let's open npm start. Cannot find the module app.css, so let me just comment this one that we don't require. So let's go and just check. So here you can see we have the Trello-like cards. So you can just make it like here like this. You can set it from here to there. Okay, so how you can do with the drag and drop. Okay, so sometimes in the Trello card you can see that there is an option that you can drag and drop from there to there. How you can do that? With the help of this hello page near dnd, you can use that one. Okay, so in the console also, if I try to refresh this one, I have saved the states in the local storage. If I go and go with the storage, and we have go with the local storage, here we go with this one. So here we go with the columns. Okay, so name columns, this one is added column 1, name Jake. So this is here we can see. If I go with the columns, so columns here we have Jake item, column 2 object bmq bmo. Okay, so here we have the items, that is object 1, that is id 2 with the test, and id 1 with this id 5. If I just drag and drop over here, okay, so now you can see that it's updated. So if I just scroll, and here you can see that the items now it's gonna be a length 3. Okay, so length 3 would be sometimes lives carry. Okay, so you can save it, you can send it to the backend and they can save their states. Okay, so this is, you can drag and drop. How we have done this one, let's dive into the code level. Okay, so here hello engineer dnd we have used. So how it works, I will show you the documentation and all, so where you can use it. Okay, so here we go with this one. So this is the part of it, and the downloads is pretty much here. You can see that there you can drag and drop it. Okay, beautiful accessible drag and drop for list with react. Okay, and whatever they have the documentation, play with the example if you want. So here you can see that they have the documentation where you can just play around this one. Okay, so it's very cool that whenever you try to drag and drop something like this, you can make it with the help of this. Let's check my code. Okay, so here we have defined in the initial columns. Okay, so the name and the items. Okay, so we have predefined mentioning the items with the column 1, column 2, okay, then column 3, then column 4. Okay, name items, according to it you have to add it. Okay, then in the const app, so here I need to save the columns also. Okay, so I'm using the columns for the local storage get item column. Okay, save the columns with the json. Okay, and here we have a use effect. So in the local storage, what we're trying to set, local storage dot set item columns json stringify the columns if it is there. Okay, then save it. Right, whenever we do the drag and drop, okay, if there is a no result destination, then return. If there is a source and destination in the result, then we can go another one, that is a source column. Okay, columns dot source dot droppable id. So when we try to drag and drop from one place to another, we have a id. So which column you try to drag and which column you, we have a list of the items, so they have the id, and the column they have the id. So whenever we try to drag and drop in which column, we get it. Okay, then we have a source column items. Okay, then destination items where you want to put. Okay, and whenever you try to remove from one column to another one, so we have to remove splice, okay, with the source index from that array of items. Okay, that's the logic. If the source and the droppable id and the destination droppable id, it's equal to, then we have to splice the destination index and removed, and then we are going to set the columns with the new one. Okay, else we are going to splice with the destination and remove, then again we have to set the columns. Okay, and here we have the draggable option, drag drop context on drag end. Okay, so here we have object dot entries where you want to drag and drop. Okay, so droppable id, column id, key id, everything you have to give that. Okay, so here you can see that we have the first object entries columns. Okay, then we have the another one, column dot items dot map. Okay, so key, draggable id, index. Okay, then we have a provided and the snapshot over there where we have to return all the data. Okay, and after this, droppable draggable context is end, and then export the default tab. Okay, so this is the code for dragging from one place to another, right? So rest of the things you can just go and check the documentation and how you, if you have the any kind of such kind of things you have in a mind, then definitely you have to go with this one. Otherwise there is another thing that is React-dnd, which I tried to send it up. This is also a very good package that you can use for that one, for the drag and examples we have. Okay, so any single target, so here we go with drag the box. So here we go with this one. You have drop this one, dustbin, you have drag this one, so you can also use this package. Okay, this is also very much popular for the drag and drop, and this is also popular for the drag and drop in the list, and it's popular for the, you can drag from here and there, you can also do with that one also. But I haven't created the project with the React-dnd. If you want that one, definitely I will make a tutorial on that one also. So these are the two npm packages which is more popular for the drag and drop properties. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.